Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by uploading the clip so captions can be added inside Instagram. After selecting Post or Reel, pick your video and tap Next. This begins the editing flow. Make sure audio is audible because auto caption tools rely on it. If audio is poor, stop and fix levels or re-record. Once done, you save time and get more accurate text. Now proceed to the sticker and accessibility options on the next screen to attach captions directly to your video. Once on the editing screen, tap the sticker icon and select Captions. You'll enable Instagram's auto-transcription. The app will process audio and display text lines. This may take a few seconds. Make sure to read through every line, tap to correct misheard words and adjust phrase breaks so timing matches speech. Then customize appearance. Pick a font, color, or background to keep captions legible against your visuals. If you want burned-in captions, finalize styling now before posting. Preview your video end to confirm captions sync and remain readable. Once satisfied, tap Share. If captions don't appear or are inaccurate, try toggling microphone permissions and reprocessing, or export captions from an external editor as an SRT burned into the video before upload. Also, keep a short manual caption overlay for critical details like names or URLs because auto tools miss those. Finally, save a copy of the edited video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.